Good morning, guys. It's A2. What up, you guys? It's Codex. Well, what you guys been up to? So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So, so that's what I'm doing. Just going to work. So check you guys when I'm done work.
Hey guys, so right now you guys, I'm just taking Grace to early onset, so that is what's going on, you guys. You have lasagna, chicken lasagna, and chicken pie. And then what's for dessert? I do not know.
It's like a pie.
Let's see. Let's go. There's a pie thing. How to you guys. Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are switching the lights, tail lights, because my tail light's done. So that's what's going on, you guys. We are switching here. You guys, how do you replace that? Oops. Hold on. Which one is Take the bulb out, which I already did, you guys. I already checked the bulb out. Now I'm gonna just replace it. You pop it in like this, and then you pop it back into place, you guys. Twist it, and there you guys go. Good as new, you guys. Look at that. We can go for wagon wide, right, Grace? Or we can go for wagon wide.
Maybe go up and around that way.
Boom, 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 boy. Wagon ride time. Woo!
Ready to go?
Rachel made some spinach bites. You guys want to subscribe? Guys, do give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye.